Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to make a scanner for finding out inside candlestick chart patterns. It's very simple. First just go to charting.com. There you can see screeners create scan. Just click it. First we apply the condition on here. The first condition is latest high should be less than previous day high. That means 1 day ago high. The next condition is low. Latest low greater than 1 day ago low. This is the condition for inside candlestick patterns. And just change it to future stocks, otherwise so many stocks are comes. Okay, and click run. See, all those stocks are inside candlestick patterns are formed yesterday. So just check, just dial. Days, just check 10 days daily update. See, this is the inside candlestick chart patterns. See. So if you want to know about what is inside candlestick chart patterns trading strategy, you just Google it, inside candlestick trading strategy, or just go to YouTube and search inside candlestick trading strategy. You will get the strategy about how to trade with this level. It's very simple. It's a breakout trading strategy. So if it's break previous day high, it's go for buy, and if it's break low, then it's go for sell. That's the one strategy, and we can follow this as positional trading and intraday trading also. We can follow this trading strategy. So this is an EOD scanner. Only 14 stocks are here. So you just what are your favorite stock? You just selected that stocks and just wait for the breakout. That's it. Now we are created a EOD scanner, and if you want to a live scanner, that means 5 minutes scanner, latest 5 minutes inside candlestick scanner, then change it to the time frame. Here just click latest to 5 minutes. Here also 5 minutes. Here 0, just click to previous candle. Here also 0, 5 minutes candle. Here also 5 minutes candle. Just change to previous candle. That's it. So what are the stocks are formed inside candlestick patterns in last 5 minutes? That stocks you will get it here. This is a 5 minutes candlestick time frame. So these are the stocks are formed in 5 minutes. These are the stocks are formed inside candlestick trading patterns. So let's see. Madarsumi. Change it to 1 day, 5 minutes. See, the last candle is the inside candlestick pattern. So after market open, you just keep on runs the scan. So latest new stocks will be comes here. Okay. This is a 5 minutes chart. We'll check one more stock. Chola Finance. See, this is also inside candlestick. This is a 5 minutes inside candlestick trading patterns. And if you want to change 15 minutes, just change the minutes to 50 minutes. That's it. For intraday, 50 minutes are useful. Okay. See, these are the stocks are 50 minutes G1. So here you just change it to 50 minutes. See, it's an inside candlestick trading patterns. Okay, like that you can change the time frame to 1 hour, 20 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, like that you can change it. Okay, hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasnilo2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasnilo.com. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading strategy video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.